Umbutho ongenzi inzuzo i-Young Intelligent Minds of South Africa okanye i-YIMOSA ngamafutshane awonelisekanga impendulo karhulumente kwizikhukhula zakutshanje ezichaphazela iMpumalanga, iLimpopo, iNorth West, iMpuma Koloni kunye neKwaZulu-Natal. Ngelixa umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa ebhengeze izikhukhula njengentlekele yesizwe, lo mbutho uthi esi sibhengezo kufuneka sikhatshwe ngamanyathelo abonakalayo kuquka uhlolo oluphangaleleyo lomonakalo. IYIMOSA ithi iziseko zophuhliso ezingalunganga zenze imeko yambi kakhulu kwaye abasemagunyeni kufuneka baqwalasele oku bakhawulezise imizamo yokunceda.
The Young Intelligent Minds of South Africa is deeply concerned about the manner in which government respond to disaster-stricken areas such as the recent in Mpumalanga and Limpopo provinces. The effects of these disasters are as a result of government's failure to build quality infrastructure such as higher bridges to prevent loss of lives and exclusion of communities from reaching their places of employment, schools and healthcare facilities. South Africa has a national disaster management team and provincial disaster management teams, but we are surprised that every minister wants to go to the areas without tools of trade to bring immediate relief to those affected by the disaster. Flood victims in KwaZulu-Natal and the Eastern Cape, who were affected about a year and 2 years ago, remains in dire need of houses since their houses were swept away by floods. Ministers, MECs and premiers visited the areas to assess with the promise that they were going to bring the much-needed relief to the victims. It was sad to see a piece reported on Newsroom Africa just this past week that many of these victims remains in dire need for assistance. This is despite having the President, the Minister of Coxta, the premiers of the respective provinces and the Minister of Human Settlement visiting these areas. The same will be the case in Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Another disaster will strike years later and the victims of this year's disaster will remain unassisted. For our government, it has become a show and wanting to appear on TV at the expense of the ordinary people who are in dire need of assistance. YIMOSA believes that the funds used to pay the cost of travel can go a long way in rebuilding a house or two of the victims of these disasters.